Fun fact, you can store all human data like movies, songs, pictures in your DNA. DNA is made up of four nucleotide bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine, which each have their own unique chemical structures. Since there's four bases, this can be used to represent two bits of information, where each base is representing either a 00, 01, 10, or 11. These bits of information is how information is stored in a binary system on your hard drive, computer, laptop, anything. So if you took some type of binary information, you could encode that into a synthesized form of DNA, which could get stored, and then, taking the part that you want, could be read again to produce back its original information. Yaniv Ehrlich and Dina Zelensky from the New York Genome Center at Columbia University were actually able to encode a movie onto DNA. Oh, also they put on a computer system, and also a photo, and a scientific paper, and a computer virus, and even a $50 Amazon gift card. Since DNA is so small, you can store a lot of information in such a small amount of space. In fact, about 1 gram of DNA could theoretically hold about 215 petabytes of information. If stored correctly, this DNA is also very stable and can last for a very long time, potentially even thousands of years, much better than our current way of storing data works. Right now, using DNA to store information on a grand scale isn't really a viable option because, one, forming synthetic DNA and also sequencing and reading that DNA is very expensive and takes a long time. Yet, there are companies that are finding ways to try to make this a much faster and easier process, such as Microsoft or Twist Bioscience. So, potentially, in the future, we could be storing all of our data in synthetic DNA. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that fun?